गेली सकाळी एक PUC मीटिंग आली आणि त्याच्यानंतर I think the speaker had called a few people to his chamber and he called me regarding certain clarifications regarding PUC and PAC committees on the existence which comes under the jurisdiction of the speaker. So there was a discussion and certain views were exchanged. PAC and PUC meeting jenna convene jata, it goes from the legislators forum. Goes from the legislators forum under the hand which comes under the speaker. So there were some things saying that illegal meetings zale ani meeting legal nahi and whatever. So I think the speaker has given clarifications today in the morning as well. Elton DeCosta's PAC committee was reconstituted on 10th of February 2023, which is valid for 2 years. That ends 24, which ends on 26, 2 years as per the committee. And the PUC committee was reconstituted in the financial year, which is valid up to 31st March 2025. So basically everything is in public domain. And as I said, reports, whatever are discussed in the while we discuss about certain paras. Some reports, some newspapers brought up that certain queries which were not in the PUC. So these things were also discussed. Example, smart city, एक point I know that doesn't come under my purview because it comes and it is not highlighted also by CAG. So these particular things, whatever I think the speaker, that whatever on our part, we explain.
But what part came on about the smart city?
No. There was a report about the smart city para Gilnam. Now, what is our jurisdiction is mainly what is discussed is the ambit is within periphery of CAG points. So that comes under Public Accounts Committee, and also it particularly there was some representation in a newspaper that I as PUC chairman didn't take it. That is what the clarification was given.
So what you foundation के petition file केले याचेर आणि मागीर ती petition file केली गोवा foundation.
So petition.
That's it. The whole thing to have this was, let me be very clear. The whole thing to have this meeting was to get clarification if this PUC and PAC meetings are valid, are enforced or not. So the Honorable Speaker, those who have written saying that this were not valid, meetings were all not valid, committees are not valid, that has been clarified by the Honorable Speaker. My committee, which I am as the chairman, PAC is valid up to 2026, 31st March 2026. Let me be very clear. And PUC chairman has letter of opposition, this is 31st March 2025. So apart from that, Bitor ki zala, te muntam discuss kone, but main thing, what Savan Pontari feed kon kitere sangile ani. See, we as y'all are the fourth pillar of democracy, press and we have high regards for you. But through some miscommunication, kitari zale, and we don't want to blame you. But in fact, we wanted to clarify, and we are satisfied with the whatever clarification the Honorable Speaker has given to the people who had come. Our friends only. Then it has been clarified that both the committees are valid. It is not only multiple chairman. It is our duties, and we are appointed to give justice to that post. And being a PUC and PAC chairman, हमको बाबा extra kit staff यहाँ तक है ना, we are handling both this. आख्या तुम check करे meetings कितली केले तो सगळी केले म्हणून we are working on it, and definitely we will give justice to that post. इतलेच देव बरं.